A 15-foot wire and a 5-foot wire were each cut completely into 10-inch pieces, and we need to find out how many more 10-inch pieces resulted from the 15-foot wire than from the 5-foot wire. And we have also been given this conversion which state that 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. So since we are cutting these wires into 10-inch pieces, so let's just start with converting this 15 foot and 5 foot into inches. Now we know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, which implies 5 foot has to be equal to 12 into 5 inches, which should be equal to 60 inches, and 15 foot has to be equal to 12 into 15, which should be equal to 180 inches. Now we are cutting these wires into 10-inch pieces. So number of pieces for 5 foot would be, we have to divide by 10 because that is what we are converting it into. It means we'll get 6 pieces of 10 inches from this 5 foot wire. Similarly, the number of pieces from 15 foot wire has to be equal to 180 by 10. Now we can cancel out these zeros. This should be 18 pieces. So we have found out how many pieces of 10-inch wires we will get from 15 foot and from 5 foot, and we need to find out how many more 10-inch pieces resulted from 15 foot wire than from the 5 foot wire. So all we got to do is we got to subtract these two numbers. So this, let's just take this number as 1 and this would be our second number. So since we have to find out how many more pieces, so we'll have to subtract 1 from 2. This implies 18 minus 6, which should be equal to 12 pieces. Hence we have 12 more 15 foot wire pieces than 5 foot wire pieces. So let's just look at our options here. Option C is the correct answer.